Hi everybody and welcome. My name is Kimberly with Next Advanced Medicine and I am a certified Heartmath coach and mentor, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Heartmath technology and the monitor, and I'm also going to take you through an inner ease technique. Now if you do not have this technology, you do not need it to participate or benefit. So please stay tuned. But if you do have it, we want to make sure that you are using it because there is definitely some good feedback that you get from this app. So I want you to attach this to your ear if you have it. And then this little button right here, press that and you'll see that it's on. And when you get to your screen on your phone for the app, you know you're ready for the session. And what I'm going to tell you a little bit about today is I'm going to take you through a technique called inner ease. And so inner ease helps you to flow more easily through challenges. It's actually going to help to build your resilience capacity as well. And I'm going to tell you what the steps are, and then I'm going to take you through a session. Sound good? All right, so the steps, just like any Heartmath session, is that I'm going to ask you to focus your attention in the area of the heart. And want you to start breathing a little slower and a little deeper, and imagine that breath is flowing in and out of your heart or chest area. Now with inner ease, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to ask you to pull in that sense of inner ease with every breath that you take in, and I'll guide you through that at the time. So what do you think about when I say inner ease? What I think about is a boat on a quiet lake in a very peaceful surrounding, and that boat maybe has an anchor, and so the boat's really not going anywhere, but it might go a little bit to the left and it might go a little bit to the right, but that anchor always centers it right where it needs to be. And that's what I think of with inner ease, that no matter whatever happens throughout the day, I have that baseline that it will pull me back to my sense of inner ease. And that's the goal for today. Okay, so are you ready to get started with this session? All right, so get yourself comfortable, turn your monitor on, attach it to your ear, make sure you have your app set, and so in the middle of this little bar, there is an arrow to start your session, and here we go. So as we get started, I want you to focus your attention in the area of the heart. And imagine your breath is flowing in and out of your heart or your chest area. You want to breathe a little deeper and a little slower than usual, but still at a comfortable pace. And if you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the area of the heart, bring it back to the breath. Now with every breath in, I want you to draw in the feeling of inner ease. Draw in the feeling of inner ease to balance your mental and emotional energy. Every breath in, you're pulling in inner ease. Now I want you to set a meaningful intent to anchor that feeling of inner ease as you engage in any projects, challenges, or daily interactions that you do next. And as we finish up, you could take your last breath, and if your eyes are closed, you can open them. If your monitor is on, you could tap it to stop, and you could choose which little emotion there you're feeling at this time. And then there's also a place that you could take notes. And I think notes are very important because if you have a good session or a bad one, you could go back and research and find out what you were doing in that session and recreate it. Maybe you had your eyes open, maybe you had your eyes closed, maybe you were in a peaceful place. So take note of those kinds of things. Now, having an attitude of inner ease can help us to remember that we don't have to give into the daily drama. And we don't have to give into depleting emotions such as anxiety or worry or judgment or fear. Practicing this, it may seem insignificant, but these techniques are purposefully simple, yet the results can be significant in your life. Practice them as often as you like. If you have a set schedule, 2 to 3 times a day, 4 times, whatever you need, longer sessions, shorter sessions, these are all going to build up your resilience, and you're going to find that it's going to make a huge difference one day when you're like, oh, that used to bother me, and now it doesn't anymore. So keep practicing with me or on your own, and I look forward to seeing you next time.